Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to start our new chapter, that is linear equation in two variables. First, let's recall that what we have studied so far. We have studied a type of equation like 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. So what is the root of this equation? What is the 0 of this equation? We will just find the value of x, that is x is equals to minus 5 by 2. This is the 0 of this following equation. So we have studied this much so far. Now what the points you must keep in your mind while solving a quadratic equation or a polynomial equation. While solving your equation, you must always keep the points that the same number is added or subtracted on both the sides of the equation. Like we did in polynomials, we multiplied the same number and divided the same number. In this case, when we are following the equation and solving it, like say this is your equation on the left hand side and this is your equation on the right hand side. So what will you multiply to make LHS is equal to RHS? Now you will multiply with 2 here and 2 here. You will multiply both the sides with the same number. Okay, you cannot multiply with 2 here and 3 here. You have to multiply with the same number. You have to multiply both the sides with 2 or both the sides with any number, but you have to multiply with same number. This was just an example. This was not a question, so the answer may be wrong. Okay, the second point you must keep in your mind, you multiply or divide both the sides of the equation by the same non-zero number. When you are multiplying or dividing the equation, you have to multiply or divide it by the same number, and that number not be equal to 0. Okay, and the first point was you have to subtract or add the same number at both the sides, both LHS and RHS. Okay, so now let's take an example. First, in a one-day international cricket match, India and Sri Lanka. Let's take India as X and Sri Lanka as Y. Okay, India and Sri Lanka played in Nagpur. Two Indian batsmen together scored 176 runs. Okay, now two Indian batsmen, let's take A and B, scored 176 runs. A plus B is equals to 176. Now express this information in the form of an equation. We expressed that information in the form of an equation, so here the question ends. No more information is provided in the question to solve this equation or to form any other equation. So the question here ends. You have to form equations on the basis of information given in the question only. You cannot predict or you cannot assume any information on your own. You have to solve an equation with the information given in the question only. Let's take another example. Write each of the following equations in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. First equation is 2x plus 3y is equals to 4.37. Now we have to write this equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Now what is a here? Ax means a is the coefficient of x. Now what is b here? B is coefficient of y. Now what is c here? C is our constant term. Now you can see that we have the equation in the form of ax plus by plus c, and c is on LHS, so we have to just put the constant term from RHS to LHS. Nothing we have to do more than this in this equation. So we will write 2x plus 3y minus 4.37 is equals to 0, and this is our final answer. This is an easy question. Now let's take another question. We have to write this equation in the form of ax plus by plus c, and the equation is this: x minus 4 is equals to root 3 y. Now what is the coefficient of x here? Coefficient of x here is 1. And what is the coefficient of y? Coefficient of y is root 3 here. Now what is our constant? Minus 4 is our constant. You have to remember that all the three terms must be on LHS. All the three terms must be on LHS, and RHS must be equal to 0. So we will just bring the y value at LHS. Okay, so this will be our final answer. X minus root 3y, it will turn into minus root 3y because the sign changes when we replace the terms, or when we put the terms from LHS to RHS or from RHS to LHS. So this will be our final answer. This is the basic information of the chapter linear equations in two variables. You can practice it at your home, and if you have any doubt regarding any topic or any point or any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.